Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get pre-sale code for Ticketmaster. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Ticketmaster, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you, to get a pre-sale code for Ticketmaster, you need to follow all these steps. Number one is you need to sign up for Ticketmaster emails because Ticketmaster often sends out pre-sale codes for subscribers of their email newsletters. Now, all you're going to do is visit the Ticketmaster website if you're more comfortable on the computer or on your PC and sign up for their emails. Or you can simply go to the Ticketmaster app on your mobile device, just download it on the Google Play Store or App Store. And make sure to check your inbox regularly, including promotions or spam folders. Do not miss any pre-sale announcements. Now, the following option is you need to follow certain artists and events. For example, we're going to be selecting 5 or more favorites. Going to be like T.I., Imagine Dragons, maybe Two Chainz, or San Francisco 49ers and Las Vegas Raiders. Now, click on continue. What will happen is it will be forwarded here. Right, so these are going to be the events. Okay, after that, you need to obviously gonna follow artists and events like artists, sports team, and venues often announce pre-sales through their official websites, social media accounts, and newsletters. Follow them on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to stay updated on pre-sale announcements. Now, the next option that you can do is simply go to the official website of Live Nation. Now, Live Nation is affiliated with Ticketmaster, and individual venues may offer their own pre-sales for events. Now, when you visit the Live Nation website or check the website of this specific venue hosting the event for pre-sale information. For example, you wanted to go to a Bruno Mars concert. You see, this is going to be the location. If you're looking for the international, all right, you can find tickets here, right? For example, you're looking for the US Inglewood. You can find tickets because most of the time they are releases pre-sale codes exclusively through the mobile apps. And again, if you haven't downloaded the Ticketmaster app on your smartphone and enable notifications to receive alerts about pre-sales, all right? So it's up to you. You see this one? You can grab your tickets and reserve your ride. If you click on this, you're going to be unable, if you're unable to access the pre-sales code, tickets generally become available to the general public during the public sale period. And always keep an eye on the Ticketmaster website for the start time of the public sale and purchase tickets once they are available to everyone. All right. Now, occasionally, sponsors or partners of events may offer pre-sale opportunities. All I'm going to do is check the websites of event sponsors or partners for any pre-sale information or codes, because most of the time websites dedicated to concert or event pre-sale sometimes aggregate pre-sale codes for various events. For example, fan forums, community boards, or websites specifically focus on ticketing and the events. And of course, by following these, you would be able to increase your chances of obtaining a pre-sale code for Ticketmaster events and securing tickets early. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.